this is Rich. Welcome to my channel. This is my friend Anitha.
Hi all.
So today my Indian friend Anitha will take me to try some Indian food.
Especially from Kerala. Yay!
Let's go. Let's go. Hello, we are reaching this
Finally
place.
we are here.
It's here.
Travancore Cafe. So
Okay.
you can see the name actually. But still there is some.
It's there.
Okay.
Okay. What's this?
It's
Oh, is it here? Okay.
that is actually banana fruit. Too much of
Hello everyone, we just reached this restaurant. It's in where? Tell us.
It's Travancore Cafe.
Travancore.
Travancore Cafe.
It's just
It's
here.
Travancore.
Here. Travancore Cafe. So, Anita, what we will have today?
So today, okay, so there is a huge menu you have. So you are seeing the banana leaves here. So we have ordered this banana leaves food. So it's a vegetable thali. It's like an North Indian. The speciality of having this, we are actually not using any plates or something. We are using with banana leaves especially. So moreover, which has a sambar and papad and the different varieties of vegetables available.
It's a traditional thali, right?
Yes, it's a traditional.
It's
Kerala meal.
South style thali.
Yes, it's
Because
not
we-
South. Don't call South. It's like
Oh,
it's
Kerala.
like
Kerala.
Yeah.
Sorry, Kerala. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, we got the leaf here.
Yes, we got the leaf here. Leaf is coming.
Yes.
So maybe you can show the leaf.
Wow. We got the leaf here. See, it's clean one, right? It's washed.
Yes.
Wow.
This you just keep it. So and also for the leaf also, you know. So this is actually in banana leaves. This is actually the tip of a banana leaves. Okay. So in traditional also you can't put this leaf tips to that side. It is always to this side and do this. And after eating the meal, you cannot close it like this. You have to close it like this. This is the tradition also.
So I
Rich
cannot
is-
close from my side to that side. I can only close from the
Yes,
further
this is the
side. to
traditional.
Oh, okay. I learned.
So this one, the first one is a pickle. The pickle is made up of beetroot, and there is one more curry which is made up of ginger.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. What's this?
This is torin.
Dolan.
Okay. It's
This
avial.
is aloo.
Special avial.
Avial.
Avial. Wow.
ഇതിനകത്ത് curd ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ ഇല്ലല്ലോ only coconut, right?
Wow.
The street coconut is too
Yeah.
expensive for us, you know. We are only
Wow.
getting
What's this? Aloo.
it. It's tapioca.
What's that?
Okay, so
Tapioca.
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 Yeah.
Wow. It looks like mango seeds. Mango.
No. It's a kind of like aloo kind of family, but
Okay.
it's a tapioca one.
Tapioca. What's this? Ah.
ഇല്ല അതുകൊണ്ടാ ശരി നിങ്ങൾ വീടെത്തിയിട്ട് ഇടിക്കാം റിച്ച് ഉണ്ട് ഇറ്റ്സ് ജസ്റ്റ് പാപ്പഡ്
But this is same like the North Indian things, right? They just put some spicy things on
so
this
that
one.
is I think chamandi.
Chamandi.
This kappa chamandi is a combination.
So how many things we will get in one thali?
It is actually depends upon, so currently they have given like a 7 things.
Rice ham.
You can tell how
Wow.
much you need, okay?
I think it's too much. Enough.
Enough.
Wow, this is.
Anyway, we're just going to use the hand.
Wow.
I'm so excited. Since we haven't washed the hands, we have to wash the hands.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
In that, okay. It's so hot.
Oh.
Okay.
What's this?
That is
Sweet?
Sweet. It's spice.
Wow, nice. So let's check these things. Wow. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Let's check what we got now. Two things, right? Please.
Okay. So I was talking about the food, so
Yes.
which is in the pot.
Paratha. Wow, thank you. This is the menu. So how many things we have here? We cannot. It's too much. It's too much for us.
So this is similar to basically this pot rice. Okay, this pot rice is similar to the same thing. So, but here they have added some non-veg dish. One omelet and one fish.
Wow.
Which is a small fish, is it?
Huh?
Which isn't a small fish.
It's too small for me.
Okay. And
Wow.
they have a nice fish curry.
Wow, this is amazing.
So you can have, maybe you can have this with the sambar, or you can use fish curry.
Wow, nice. It's like this. Oh, it's cold.
It's cold.
I mean, the rice is
Cold.
Yeah,
And
but
the
this. So how we eat actually? It's like this.
So yes, yeah, mix properly.
So I need to add something.
You can taste, like depends upon the taste. You can try.
I want to try this one. Oh, it's the beans, right?
Yes,
And
it's a bit.
this something have the coconut.
Yes. You know that is actually banana.
This have the coconut taste.
Yes.
The coconut fruit, the flavors came. So I think this is pure coconut, that powder.
Chutney. You know,
Chutney.
now you usually have it with dosha, the chutney. So it is actually the not the liquid version.
And what's this? I forgot.
Kappa.
Kappa. It's like
Same.
aloo.
Yes. You have to mix with that. That's spicy.
Yes, it's spicy. It's like this.
Yes, it's like this.
I'm a typical Indian.
Now, yes.
I think this is a.
Ginger
So
curry.
I can put this also
Yes, it's spice. It's a different spice.
because I don't like the plain food.
Yeah.
Like this only, right? Cheers.
Beef is too much.
Oh, we have two fish.
Yes, this is my favorite fish.
We already had this food for about 20 minutes, and they provide me, I think it's 2 days rice. Kerala people are very generous. Okay, I have my food here. So this is the things after the meal. We need to fold this properly, and they will take away, right? And because it's too much, so we will take away all these dishes. It's very tasty.
Yeah.
Okay. So today we had traditional Kerala food. And you can see what we had today. Anitha, I forgot again.
So Kerala veg thali and
Veg thali.
pot rice.
Pot
Fish
rice.
Pot rice.
Yes. It's veg and non-veg.
Yes.
And you can also get the beef here if you want. And the one thing I learned is if we want to have the traditional thali, after you have it, you need to fold from this side. That means you complete the meal.
Complete the meal. This is actually the interesting facts about this is actually Kerala is an agricultural place. So we have a lot of festivals called Onam and Vishu. So it's every festival is related to agriculture as well. So agriculture as in like the paddy field is the main cultivation for us. So when we serve the food and all, so we are actually telling that this season is not going to end, still it is going to come. So that is how it is actually making a sense.
So we had very tasty food, especially if you love the spicy food. See this.
Yes.
come here and try.
Yes.
So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please do like,
Comment.
share.
Subscribe.
Yeah, this is Rich and this is
Anitha.
see you.